Namaste bachcho. In the previous class, we discussed about Dvitakshar. So, Dvitakshar is the joining of two similar Vyanjanakshar. Today, in this class, we are going to discuss about Sanyuktakshar. So, Sanyuktakshar is the joining of two different types of Vyanjan letters. Now, here you can see the subheadings. Do Vyanjan means two different Vyanjanakshar, and here it's Sanyuktakshar. Third, you can see it's Shabd. Shabd means word, and the last one is Arth. Arth means meaning. And here the definition for Sanyuktakshar is दो व्यंजनों के मेल से संयुक्त अक्षर बनता है. That means Sanyuktakshar is formed by the joining of two different types of Vyanjanakshar. So here you can see ka with hal symbol. That means half of ka plus kha. And this is the Sanyuktakshar, and we say kha. So this ka has a short sound and kha has a full sound. And a word with kha is makhan. The meaning is butter. Next one, you can see ja with hal symbol. That means half of ja plus va. So here we say jwa. So you can see we are writing this ja in a half form, and this has a short sound j, and va has a full sound, and the Sanyuktakshar we pronounce jwa. A word is jwar, means fever. Third one, you can see ta with hal symbol. That means half of ta plus ya, and the Sanyuktakshar we say tay. So this ta has a very short sound. The word is satya, means truth. Next one, you can see half of da plus va. So we pronounce dwa. So this da has a very short sound. Now another form of writing this dwa is, first you need to write da and at the bottom half of va. So this is another form of writing dwa. And a word is vidwan, means scholar. Next one is da with hal symbol, that is half of da plus dha, and we pronounce this Sanyuktakshar dhad. And there is another form of writing this dhad. First you need to write da and at the bottom dha. So this is another form of writing the Sanyuktakshar. And the word is Shuddh, means pure. Now here you can see da with hal symbol, that means half of da plus ya, and we say this Sanyuktakshar day. That means short sound of da. The word is padya and the meaning is poem. So here we can write this Sanyuktakshar in another form. So this is the way to write day, where da has a very short sound. Now the next one, da with hal symbol, that means half of da plus dha. So the Sanyuktakshar we say dhad. This is the another form of writing dhad. And here you can see a word prasidh. The meaning is famous. So you need to write all these Sanyuktakshar with the words and the meaning in your notebook. Here you can see dha with hal symbol. So this is the half form of dha plus ya. So we pronounce dhya. The word is madhya, means middle. Next one, pa with hal symbol. So we need to write the half form of pa plus ya, and the Sanyuktakshar we pronounce pya. The word is pyas, means thirsty. Next one, pa half form of pa plus ra, and we pronounce pra. The word is prachin, means ancient. Next one, half of ra plus ma. So this is the way to write half of ma, that is a small hook on top of ma. The word is dharma and the meaning is religion. Next one, here you can see sha with hal symbol, that means half of sha plus va, and here we pronounce shwa, that means this sha has a very short sound, and the word given here is Vishwa, but there is a small correction. The spelling for Vishwa is va, e ki matra, half of sha and then va. So you need to remove this a symbol. So this is Vishwa and the meaning is world. Next one, it's sha with hal symbol. So here also there is a small correction. First you need to write sha, then the hal symbol. So this is the half of sha plus ra, and the sanyukta akshar is shra. We have learned this sanyukta akshar in the Varnamala. Shra say shramik. So here the given word is Shrimati. Shrimati means Mrs. Now the next one, half of sha, that is with the hal symbol, plus ya, and we say shay, where sha has a very short sound. The given word is drishya, means visual. Next one, half of sa plus ta, stha. This is the way to pronounce stha. Word is pustak, means book. We have the 4 sanyukta akshar, which we have already learned in the Varnamala. So here this is ksha, then we have tra, gya and shra. So these are the sanyukta akshar which we have already discussed in the Hindi Varnamala. So these are known as sanyukta akshar because they are formed by the joining of 2 different types of vyanjana akshar. As you can see here, cha is formed by half of ka plus half of cha, and the word is kshatriya, means warrior. Next one, it's tra sanyukta akshar, and it is formed by the joining of half of ta plus half of ra, and the word is chitra, means painting. Next one, sanyukta akshar is gya. Gya is formed by joining of half of ja plus half of ya, and the word given is vigyan, means science. Now the next one, that is sanyukta akshar kshra. This is formed by the joining of half of sha plus half of ra. The word is shray, means credit. So that's why these 4 letters are known as sanyukta akshar, because they are formed by the joining of 2 different types of vyanjana akshar. Now here in your textbook in page number 6, you have exercise part. So in Hindi we say abhyas for exercise. The first question is jodo, that means you have to match it. The first one you can see, it's vyanjana akshar kha, cha, bha, cha, dha, ta, fa, and the last one is tha. And on the other side you can see the short forms, but these half forms are not arranged in an order. So you need to match it with the correct one. Now let's see the answer. So the first one, kha, and the correct half form, cha. So we write cha with hal symbol. Third one, bha, and here you can see we just remove the standing line. Fourth one, ksha, and here also the half form of cha is written by removing the standing line. Fifth one, dha, again we remove this standing line. Sixth one, tha, and here we just write the hal symbol with tha. Next one, fa. Here this is the half form of fa. Eighth one, Vyanjanakshar, tha, and here in the half form of tha we just remove the standing line. So this exercise you need to write it in your notebook. Now let's move on to the second one. The question is jod kar shabd likho. So here you can see half of Vyanjanakshar plus the full form. So you need to join it and make a word. So the first one is half of ma plus full form of Vyanjanakshar, and we need to join it and we say mum. The word is amma. Next one, half of va plus Vyanjanakshar va. Third one, half of pa plus full form of pa. Fourth one, half of ka plus ka. Fifth one, half of la plus full la. Sixth, half of ta plus ya. Seventh, half of da plus va. Eighth, half of sha plus ya. Ninth, half of sa plus ta. 10th, half of ra plus ma. Now let's see the answers. The first one, it's already given in your textbook. So here we pronounce mum and the word is amma. Next one, you can see half of va plus va, we pronounce vav and the word is avval. Third one, half of pa plus pa, we pronounce pap and the word is chappal. Fourth one, half of ka plus ka, we pronounce kak and the word is chakki. Fifth one, half of la plus la, we say lal and the word is ullu. Sixth, half of ta plus ya and we say tya. The word is satya. Seventh, half of da plus va, we say dva. The word is vidwan. Eighth one, half of sha plus ya and we say chya and the word is drishya. Ninth, half of sa plus ta, we say stha. The word is pustak. 10th one, half of ra plus ma and we say ram. The word is dharma. So this was the second exercise. So you need to write all the exercises in your notebook. Now here you can see an activity. You need to write the Sanyukta Akshar in your Hindi notebook. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.